How you doing, guys? This is Joe with LVV. We have a service call here in Lindenhurst, and this unit, the woman complains that their electric bill is like $500-600 for the month, and LIPA or PSEG, whoever it is, says that their consumption is very high, and to look at the AC. So they called us in, and we have our high and low side hooked up, and look what it's doing. It's going, this is 410A. It should not be running this high. It's actually like a 70-degree day today. It should be running probably below 400. And it's spiking up and then going down. Okay, same thing with the electric. It's going from 20 up to 30 and then back down. So it's surging, most likely because there's non-condensables in there. Someone didn't evacuate it properly. And it's only should have gas in there, but in this instance it probably has a bunch of air and a bunch of moisture and everything like that in the system, and that's why it's fluctuating up and down. So we're gonna have to do a proper evacuation, bring it down, maybe do a triple evacuation, and then put virgin refrigerant back in the system. Alright guys, so we actually removed about 2 pounds of refrigerant, and now it is set at 304 psi. The amperage is steady at 15, no longer 20 to 30. We don't have superheat just yet, which is very weird. We might have to take out a little bit more to see, but that's a really cold coil, 39 degrees, so we'll figure that out. But this sucker was overcharged massively. It had 40-50 degrees of subcooling, and it was just bouncing up and down, up and down, up and down. And so was the amperage. It was anywhere from 20 to 30. Now it's steady at 15. So we'll see what's going on. All right. All right, guys, so